What's inside me is inside you too. Work ethic is my inner strong. You're the only person that can push yourself every single day. You have to be able to wake up and motivate yourself and just really think of what you want to achieve. Whenever I put my mind to something, I know I'm gonna get it. It's important to train your brain because in high pressure situations, you oftentimes get lost in all the doubt. I do a lot of mental choreography, visualizing my routines, remembering my keywords and just going through it all over in my head again. Trust yourself, give yourself patience, and use those tools to eliminate all the doubt. Work ethic is my inner strong. What's inside me is inside you too.